An incredible breakthrough for a young man treated for sickle cell disease at the Dana-Farber Boston Children's Cancer and Blood Disorder Center.
If you look at his blood smear today, you could not tell that he has sickle cell disease.
Working out, haven't had a transfusion in almost 6 months, just about, and feel great, trying to look great, trying to be great.
21-year-old Manny Johnson is the first success story from a new gene therapy strategy for sickle cell disease.
I started to see improvement in my skin, my body, the blood levels, and I was able to be less restricted.
It was the pinnacle of many, many years of many people's hard work.
Dr. Erica Ezrick is the co-principal investigator on the clinical trial, which is led by Dr. David Williams. She's also treated Manny for several years. Scientists have known that sickle cell patients with a high ratio of what's called fetal hemoglobin do better. Those are red blood cells typically found in babies. Sickle cell disease only affects adult hemoglobin. For this trial, Manny's stem cells were collected for a new type of genetic manipulation. Researchers introduced new genetic material into his blood, hoping to get the body to produce the fetal hemoglobin and silence the sickle-producing adult hemoglobin.
The day that Manny received his cells back was a pretty emotional day, I think, for the whole team.
The team is encouraged by what they're seeing in Manny. Up until now, the only known cure for sickle cell disease has been a bone marrow transplant.
So while that works and it's getting better and better, there are a number of patients who don't have a good match, for instance, and they can, in this case, if this works, the technology that we've developed in our testing, then the person can be their own donor.
As for Manny, getting his health back is one thing, but he says an even bigger motivation for going through this trial is his 7-year-old brother, who also has sickle cell disease.
I'm just telling him this is all for you and everybody else just like us, so that way he wouldn't have to endure what I endured for him. Make his life a little easier as he grows up.
Researchers are sharing Manny's story at the American Society of Hematology annual meeting in San Diego. More research is needed, and they're developing a much bigger multi-center trial based on this technology. For Dana-Farber News, I'm Victoria Warren.